Welcome, today I'm running the OPPO Find X5 Lite and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and tap to Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, let's click once on the switcher and now we should just select one from this available network. Let's use this one. Here we should enter the password, and if you want to see the password to have no some mistakes, you should click here on this eye icon. I'll enter the password out of screen. And now let's tap on the right upper corner. Wait a second. And we can see that our device successfully connected with this network. To turn on the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can use the Wi-Fi. We should first open notification panel shortcuts, and just to activate Wi-Fi, we should click once on the icon. To launch the settings, we should hold for a while with the Wi-Fi icon, and just to turn it off, we should click on this icon once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.